Welcome to the lecture number 26, dear students. This may be our last lecture of this chapter. 3 sums are left out, and I am trying to finish all these 3 sums in this lecture. So this lecture will be a very big lecture also. Reason being that all sums are very lengthy. So let's see here. In question number 20, question is find out the coordinates of circumcenter. That means A. Now I have already explained to you what is meant by circumcenter. Circumcenter is the center of a circle. Center of a circle which is passing through the vertices of the triangle. So I have taken AX1, XY as coordinates of circumcenter. Now I find out the value of AP, I will find out the value of AQ, I will find out the value of AR. We have done the sum like this. So you will find that after equating these two, I will get one simultaneous equation. After equating these two, I will get second simultaneous equation. By solving those simultaneous equations, I will get the values of X and Y. Or I can say the coordinates of circumcenter. So let's use here distance formula to find out it. So PA is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to, I am finding out PA, which is radius of the circle, x2 minus x1, that is x minus 6, x minus 6 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, here we have to be careful, y minus of minus 6 the whole square. That is equal to, I am going to expand this x minus 6 the whole square by using the formula a minus b the whole square. So x square minus 12x plus 36, a square minus 2ab plus b square formula I used here. Here I will get plus y, effect of this minus sign over here makes it plus, so y plus 6 the whole square. So let's continue this. PA is equal to, next step, PA is equal to root of x square minus 12x, x square minus 12x plus 36 plus y square plus 12y plus 36. I expand the second bracket. I expand this second bracket by using the formula a plus b the whole square, a square y square, 6y into 2, that is 12y plus 6 square 36. So therefore PA square is equal to root of, this root sign will be off now. So x square, squaring both sides, x square minus 12x plus y square plus 12y plus 72. 36 plus 36 gives us 72. So this is how we will find x square minus 12x plus y square plus 12y plus 72. So this is our equation number 1. In the same way, now I will take again the coordinates of Q as 3 comma minus 7. Q 3 comma minus 7, I will label them as x1 y1. While I will take A xy as x2 y2. Same way as that we have done in our first case, I am going to find out now QA square. Then I will equate this PA square and QA square. But let's find out this first. So you will find that QA is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, x2 minus x1 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, x2 minus x1 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, distance formula as you all know. x2 is x, so x minus 3 the whole square, plus y2 minus y1, very important over here, y2, that is y, minus of minus 7 whole square, equals to root of expanding x minus 3 the whole square by using formula a minus b the whole square. So a square, that is x square, minus 6x plus 9, a square minus 2ab plus b square, plus y plus 7 the whole square. Effect of this minus sign over this minus 7, that minus makes it plus. So here the next step is x square minus 6x plus 9. Expanding this by using formula a plus b the whole square. So that will give us a square plus 2ab plus b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now next step is adding these values over there. So QA is equal to QA is equal to, the next step will be QA is equal to root of x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 14y plus 14y. Very important now. This 9 plus 49 will give us 9 plus 49 will give us 58. So this is QA. Next to that is QA square is equal to x square plus y square minus 6x plus 14y plus 58. This is equation number 2. Dear students, we are having equation 1 PA square, equation 2 is QS square. If we equate these two equations, since they are area of the same circle, we'll obtain first simultaneous equation. So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, PA square is equal to QA square. PA square is equal to QA square. Now I'm going to write over here PA square is equal to QA square. Please understand it carefully. So you will find here, I'll rewrite this again, x square minus 12x plus y square plus 12y plus 72, that is equal to x square minus 12x plus y square plus 12y plus 72. Here x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 14y plus 14y plus 58 plus 58. So this is how I equate AP square is equal to QA square. So we'll find now if I solve this, x square cancel, y square also cancel. Now transfer all the terms to the left hand side. You will get minus 12x along with that plus 6x plus 12y along with minus 14y. Very important, that is equal to 58 minus 72. Please note this carefully. X square cancel, y square cancel, went minus 12x plus 6x plus 12y minus 14y. So that gives us minus 12 plus 6 minus 6x minus 2y is equal to minus 6x. We will find minus 12 plus 6. 12 minus 14, that is minus 2y. Now 72 minus 58. So you will find, we will get it as minus 14. Now all these numbers are divisible by 2 and minus sign is also there. So what I am going to do now, I am going to divide this equation by minus 2. Please be careful here. Dividing by minus 2. If I divide this by minus 2, you will find this minus become plus, this minus become plus, as well as this minus upon minus will also become plus. So 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 7s are 14. Please note here it becomes plus, this also becomes plus, this also becomes plus. So this is how you obtain first equation, or we can say first simultaneous equation. Now our aim is to get one more simultaneous equation. Now I am going to find out AR. Okay, I am going to find out AR. Now AR is equal to, but for that first I label coordinates of A, X, Y, coordinates of R. R 3, 3, while A, X, Y. Label this as X1, Y1. Label this as X2, Y2. Labeling this as X1, Y1, X2, Y2 now using distance formula only. Now you will get, dear students, RA is equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That is equal to, values we have to substitute now. x2 is x minus 3 bracket square, x minus 3 bracket square plus 1 minus 3 bracket square. Now expanding the first bracket by using the formula a minus b the whole square. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. And second one I am going to expand it by the formula a square minus 2ab plus b square. Try to understand a square minus 2ab plus b square. a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, Ra is equal to root of x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y. 9 plus 9 is 18. Therefore, to get rid of the square root sign, squaring both sides, Ra square is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 18. This is our equation number 3. This is our equation number 3. Now again I will equate these two equations. Pa square is equal to Ra square. Now I am going to take Pa square is equal to Ra square. In this case, I have already taken Pa square is equal to Qa square. Now I will take, for example, here I have taken Pa square is equal to Qa square. The same way now, the same way. What I take now? Pa square is equal to Ra square. Pa square, oh sorry, that equation was, a result was very important for us, that what simultaneous equation we got, that was very important. So far I am trying to recall this number, that what was simultaneous equation plus y is equal to 7, that was our result A. I think it was 3x. Let's see if I get correct answer. That's fine, otherwise we have to solve it again. Anyway, 3x plus y is equal to 7. That was our result number 1, A. So Pa square is equal to Ra square. Pa square is equal to Ra square. Now Pa square, same, x square minus 12x plus y square plus 12y plus 72. That is equal to Ra square, the value of Ra square. Ra square is x square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 18. Plus 18. This is Ra square because they are also radii of the same set. So x square plus y square cancel. Okay, now let's see what we get. Minus 12x minus 6x to the left hand side plus 6x. Then you will find plus 12y minus 6y to the left hand side plus 6y. That is equal to 72 on right hand side minus 72 plus 18 plus 18. Try to understand again. Minus 12x and transfer these to the left hand side plus 6x. Then you will find plus 12y. I transfer minus 6y, it becomes plus 6y. Then 72 plus 18. Now if I solve this, minus 12 plus 6, I'll be getting minus 6x. Plus 12 plus 6 is plus 18y. That is equal to minus. Of course, 72 is a larger number value-wise. With sign it is smaller, of course. Now I subtract this 18 from there. So minus 54. Dividing now this whole equation, dividing by what? Minus 6. So dividing by minus 6. Dividing by minus 6. So minus into minus is plus. 6 3s are 18, but this minus will become, sorry, this plus will become minus. Be careful here now. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. 6 1s are 6. Okay. And 6 9s are, so minus minus. So x minus 3y is equal to 9. This is our result number B. Now if I don't know whether if I have taken this simultaneous equation in a correct way, then I will get the answer. Otherwise we have to do all some again. Now let's solve A and B. Let's solve A and B. Solving A and B. Solving A and B. Solving A and B. Now first equation is 3x plus y. 3x plus y, that is equal to 7. A. This is our first simultaneous equation, 3x plus y 7. X minus 3y is equal to 9. X minus 3y is equal to 9. You all know how to solve the simultaneous equations. So now I am going to multiply this by 3 to cancel y over here. So 3 3s are 9x. Then you will find plus 3y, that is equal to 21. And here I get x minus 3y is equal to 9. Try to understand. I have multiplied 1. 3 3s are 9x. So that I will get here 3, and these two will be opposite sign, same coefficients, I can cancel it. So 3 3s are 9x plus 3y 21. If I add this, 10x, these two will get cancelled, is equal to 13. Then x is equal to 30 upon 10. So x is equal to 3. So this is how we got the first x coordinate of the circumcenter, which is 3. I'll prefer to substitute that in B. So substituting in B. Substituting in B. X minus 3y is equal to 9. X minus 3y is equal to 9. But x is 3. 3 minus 3y is equal to 9. Now you will find if I transfer this 3 on right hand side. So minus 3y is equal to 9 minus 3. This 3 on right hand side becomes minus 3. Now I get it as hope that I have taken the first result A in a correct manner. I'll check the answer and tell you. So minus 3y is equal to -6. So y is equal to 6 upon -3. Therefore y is equal to -2. Therefore coordinates of circumcenter Coordinates of circumcenter AXY is equal to 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. Please have a look at this sum. I'll check the answer back. Okay, dear students, answer is correct. That means even though I have done that result A, I have taken it properly. So circumcenter we got it. We find out PA, we got QA, we squared it. We equate these two. We got A for simultaneous equation. Then I got PA and AR. Second simultaneous equation, and both the simultaneous equations solved, and we got the circumcenter. Of course, in this case we don't have to find out radius because in the question it is not mentioned. Now let's do the question number 21. Question number 21. This is also a lengthy question. Question number 21 is also very lengthy. A little bit difficult to understand also. In question number 21, they are given us I'll draw figure first. We have to find out the possible values of this figure. It will take, of course, a long time to draw this figure. We have to find out possible parallelograms are there. We have to find out the fourth. We have to find out the fourth possible value of fourth vertex of parallelogram. So we'll find that if I take this as D1, X1, Y1, D2 as X2, Y2, and D3 as X3, Y3. Here A, B, and C is one more triangle is there. Okay. Very interesting now. In this case, you will find, dear students, in this case, I am reading question now, that find the possible place of coordinates of fourth vertex D of a parallelogram if three of its vertices are A5, 6, A5, 6, then B1, -2, 1, -2, and C 3 comma minus 2. 3 comma minus 2. This figure is very big, and we will find that we have to find out the fourth vertex coordinate. Now you will find, if you look at this figure, I'll check the coordinates first. 5 comma 6. Okay. Next to that is 1 comma minus 2 and 3 comma minus 2. Fine. Now you will find in this question, I'll get 3 parallelograms. Okay. I'll get 3 parallelograms. Namely, quadrilateral. Please look here. Quadrilateral ACBD1. ACBD1 is 1. Okay. Try to understand it. ACBD1 is 1 parallelogram. As well as you will get the second one, quadrilateral. Okay. Now please see here. Try to understand. ABD2C. 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 This is our second quadrilateral, and third one is quadrilateral. In the same manner, third one is ABCD3. This is D3. ABCD3. ABCD3 are parallelograms. These all are parallelograms. Okay. ABC, the coordinates of ABC are given over there. Okay. You'll find in very simple language. I'll tell you, if I take B, C and A as midpoints of this triangle D1, D2 and D3, then you will find segment joining the midpoints of two sides of triangle is always parallel to third side. That theory is used over here to get these quadrilaterals. Alright, so you will find ACBD1, ABD2C, ABCD3 are parallelograms. And to get the coordinates of D and D3, I am going to use the theory that diagonals of a parallelogram, very important, diagonals of parallelogram, bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Now, first parallelogram ACBD1. ACBD1. A will find here. If I draw figure again for your convenience, this is D1, X1 Y1, A56. C 3 comma minus 2 and B 1 comma minus 2. And you will find, if I draw diagonals, then very important theory is here that diagonals bisect each other. Very important theory, the diagonals bisect each other. So first of all, I will try to get the, see here, again you please notice it, A, D1, then B, C. This is first one, ACBD1. Okay. Now diagonals bisect each other. That means midpoint of AB is same as that of midpoint of D1C. So midpoint of D1C is same as midpoint of D1C and AB of AB. Very important. That diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Now for your convenience I have done a separate figure over there. Now please look here. Midpoint of D1C and AB. Now 5 plus 1 upon 2. Correct? 5 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to x1 plus 3 upon 2. Try to understand, my students. x1 plus x2 upon 2. Here also x1 plus x2 upon 2. Naturally, what will happen now? These 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Correct? So what I'll get 6 is equal to x1 plus 3. So I can transfer this 6 minus 3. That is equal to x1. So 3 is equal to x1. 3 is equal to x1. In the same way now for y1 also. Now please try to understand. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 upon 2, that is equal to 6 minus 2 upon 2. 6 minus 2 upon 2 is equal to y1 minus 2. y1 minus 2 upon 2. 2 and 2 cancel. 4 is equal to y1 minus 2. 4 is equal to y1 minus 2. So that will give me 4 plus 2 is equal to y1. 4 plus 2 is equal to y1. So y1 is equal to 6. So what I got now? I got very important thing. That value of D1, which is possibility of one of the vertices. So D1 is equal to, I'll write over here, x1 y1, that is equal to 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6. Same way, method is same. Now I'll find out the value of D2. Now you will find area, students. This is another. Okay? This is another one. Now what is the name of that? We'll see here. Second one is A, B, D to C. I'll see here again. A, B, okay? A, B, D to C. A, B, D to C. A, B, D to C. Coordinates of D2 are x2, y2. x2, y2. Okay. Now coordinates of A. Coordinates of A are 5, comma 6. 5, comma 6. A, B, D to C. A, B, D to C. This one. A, B, D to C. Then coordinates of B, 1, comma minus 2. And coordinates of C are 3, comma minus 2. 3, comma minus 2. In this case also you will find the same theory. What is that? Midpoints of diagonal AB2 and BC are same. So midpoints of diagonals BC and D D2A are same. Be careful now again. Now please try to understand. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 upon 2. 3 plus 1 upon 2. x2 plus 5. x2 plus 5 upon 2. Midpoints are same. I will be getting the midpoint of this, which are same for both, because initially only we have mentioned diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Correct? 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get here 4 is equal to x2 plus 5. Transfer 5 to the left hand side. Minus 5 is equal to x2. Therefore, minus 1 is equal to x2. Now I am going to find out y2. For y2, please try to understand, dear students. Minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 upon 2 is equal to minus 2 upon 2 is equal to 6 plus y2. 6 plus y2 upon 2. 6 plus y2 upon 2. Again, same thing. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 4 is equal to 6 plus y2. Minus 6 minus 4, that is equal to y2. I transfer 6 to the left hand side. Its sign changes and it becomes minus 6 minus 6 minus 4, that is equal to y2. So y2 is equal to minus 10. Therefore, d2 x2y2 is equal to minus 1 minus 10. Minus 1 minus 10. d2 x2y2 is equal to minus 1 minus 10. So this is how you will find. I got the second possibility, value of d2 from this figure. Right? Now fourth one, same way, no change at all. No change. You have to be very focused for this sum. d2x2y2 minus 1 minus 10. Okay, now third one is A, B, C, D3. A, B, okay? A, B, C, fine. A, B, C, D3. Okay, A, B, C, D3. Coordinates of D3, x3, y3. Same way, A, B, C, D3. Now let's see. A, coordinates of A, 5, 6. Coordinates of B, 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2. Coordinates of C, 3, minus 2. 3, minus 2. Now I'll say again midpoints of diagonals D, D3B and AC are same. Now look here, same there. Now you will find 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 upon 2, that is equal. 5 plus 3 upon 2. Okay, but now in this case, x3 plus 1. x3 plus 1 upon 2. That will give you 8 upon 2 is equal to, so I'll cancel this here only.
So x3 plus 1. x3 plus 1. Now if you transfer 1 to the left hand side, 8 minus 1 is x3. Therefore x3 is equal to 7. x3 is equal to 7. Now for y coordinate, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 upon 2. 6 minus 2 upon 2. That is equal to y3 minus 2. y3 minus 2 upon 2. 2 cancel. 2 cancel. So we will get here 6 minus 2 is 4. That is equal to y3 minus 2. Transfer 2 to the left hand side. 4 plus 2 is equal to y3. So y3 is equal to 6. y3 is equal to 6. So you will find here the third possibility D3, x3, y3. Possible coordinates are 7, 6. So D3, x3, y3 is equal to 7, 6. 7, 6. So these are, right? So these are the three possibilities of the fourth vertex of this parallelogram. So you will find here that G1, X1, Y1, 3, 6. The fourth vertex, fourth vertex of parallelogram. Fourth vertex of parallelogram can be D1, X1, Y1, 3, 6, D2, X2, Y2, minus 1, minus 10, and D3, X3, Y3 is equal to 7, 6. So this is how you will find we have got the three possibilities, right? Three possibilities of this D1, D2 and D3. Please look at this sum carefully. So, okay dear students, hope that this sum is clear to you. Now I am going to do the last sum of this exercise, problem set 5, the last sum of this chapter also. So as I stated earlier, sorry to extend this lecture because these all three are very lengthy sums. And I tried to finish them. Reason being that I'm going to begin trigonometry, the next chapter, in my lecture number 27. So now you will find the last question, 22. Find slope of the diagonals. Find the slope of the diagonals find the slope of the diagonals of a quadrilateral Find the slope of the diagonals of a quadrilateral with vertices A1 comma 7, A1 comma 7, B6 comma 3, B6 comma 3, C0 comma minus 3, C0 comma minus 3, D minus 3 3, minus 3 3. So I am going to draw a figure for this. Find the slope of the diagonals. So supposing quadrilateral is this way. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So this is diagonal AC. A 1 comma 7, B 6 comma 3, C 0 comma minus 3, and D minus 3 comma. Now I am going to find out the slope of this diagonal AC as well as diagonal B. So A 1 comma 7, 1 comma 7 and C 0 comma minus 3. Label them as x1 y1, x2 y2. Slope of AC is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You all are familiar with this slope formula. So y2 minus y1 minus 3 minus 7, y2 minus y1 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 10 upon minus 1. Slope of AC is equal to 10. Slope of AC is equal to 10. Same way, y2 x2. Okay, now for finding out slope of BD, please look here. Slope of BD. Slope of B is 0. You will surely think why this is so. Now you will find B 6 comma 3 and D minus 3 comma. This is very important. Since y coordinates of B and D are same, y coordinates are same, so the line will be parallel to x-axis. Try to understand. Therefore, BD is parallel to x-axis. And any line which is parallel to x-axis always has slope 0, and therefore slope of BD is equal to 0. So very important to note that y coordinates are same. If y coordinates are same, naturally you will find that this B is parallel to x-axis and slope of B is 0. So dear students, here we finished coordinate geometry.
chapter number 5. So for your first unit test, there will be 2 chapters, that is chapter number, the last one, mensuration and coordinate geometry. Very soon I will be giving you test based on this. This test will carry 40 marks test will be there. You have to solve it in your regular notebook only. So for your first unit test, these 2 chapters will be there. Here I declare the portion of first unit test is over. Now I don't know how long this lockdown will continue. I prefer to do the next chapter also, that is trigonometry, very important chapter. Again I am telling you, no matter whether it is lockdown or not, though we got these virtual classes, but you will find I have done, again I am stressfully saying, I have done each and every sum of both the chapters. Your job is only one, to copy down this sum in your notebook and revise the sums again and again. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.